Morning from Boquete here in Panama. We just arrived 2 hours ago by night bus at like 7 a.m. in the morning. Yeah, we got to check in to a hostel, which is pretty cool. It has like dogs, one dog. It has chickens, and we can use the eggs of the chickens to cook if you want. Yeah, right now it's actually a bit outside of the city center of Boquete, where we are going right now to kind of explore the city and then maybe find something to eat as well. We're gonna eat something here as well, but maybe something else over there. And then yeah, today is just gonna be maybe more relaxed day. Just gonna do some laundry, chill out because I didn't get a lot of sleep on the bus. Julie slept a lot.
Yeah.
Because she can sleep everywhere. Yeah. So let's explore Boquete. Boquete city center now, which has like this main square with loads of like flowers all around, and also a lot of like small shops around here. It's like the main place where you arrive by bus when you get here. They drop you off here, and yeah, guess we're just gonna look around here a bit, and then we're gonna go to the river, which is over there. I think they're gonna have like I think there's supposed to be like a park, flower park there. See if we can find that one. So I just finished watching the game. Bayern lost. Actually, it was a draw, but overall they lost over 2 games. So now Real Madrid is in the final. So now I don't have to watch it because I don't care anymore.
That's cool.
That's cool. There's a chicken. I hope it doesn't cross the road because otherwise it's gonna be flat. Yeah, right now we're going to a $1 store because Julie loves those.
Dollar stores.
Yeah, and then afterwards I think we're just gonna go back to the hostel, grab something to cook for dinner probably,
Yeah.
take a shower or something, and then just chill out because we wanna do the 7-hour hike tomorrow probably, if the weather's nice, so we need some rest before that. It's actually the next day, but we decided to like continue filming because we didn't do much yesterday, and also we kind of fell asleep at 7 p.m. and slept for like 10 hours, even though we just wanted to take a nap. So yeah, today is the next day. We are on our way to like the Boquete Visitor Center and the Boquete sign, because you have a great view over the city there. And after that we are going hiking to the free waterfalls here in Boquete. It's like a hike outside, a bit outside of the city, where you can go to free waterfalls through the cloud forest and stuff. So yeah, we are on our way there now. First it's like a 20-minute walk to the visitor center, and then we're gonna take a taxi to the actual walks. And it's windy! At the viewpoint. As you can see behind me, you have like a pretty great view over all of Boquete with the river, and you got all the buildings in the background, like the main city center, and then you got the cloud forests in the background. So yeah, we are Unfortunately, the visitor center seems to be closed until like 9 a.m.
It's already open until 96.
So it should be open now. So yeah, we're gonna check out the visitor center after that, and then we're gonna go take a taxi and then go to the Lost Waterfalls hikes, which is gonna be like another like 3 to 5 hour hike, depending on how fast we walk and how many pictures I take. So it's probably gonna be around closer to 5 than 3, and then yeah, maybe gonna go for a dip in the waterfalls. We are now on the pre-hiking trail, sort of, because the taxi only takes you to a point that's like 1 kilometer away from the actual hiking point. How is the hike so far? Yeah, it's a hike. You can see some animals like this chicken over there. You also saw some dogs. So not any forest animals yet, but it's only a pre-hike. Tick tick tick. So we have like another maybe 600-500 meters before us, and then we are at the actual hike of the Lost Waterfalls. And I think, yeah, the weather is not that good, but it's hot, so probably gonna go for a swim in one of the pools.
Very?
Hey! So we're in the forest now at the waterfall hike. We saw the first waterfall. Kind of interesting, a dog came along as well, and Julie was feeding him.
He was so hungry.
It was a very hungry dog. I don't know how it came into the forest though. And then yeah, now we are walking to the third waterfall. The third waterfall is actually a bit more difficult to walk to because it's...
I hope it's the biggest one.
This is the road, if you can see it.
Is this the biggest one? No?
We'll see, I don't know exactly.
I hope so, because we've been walking like many dangerous parts.
Yeah, we also fell down. Both.
No, I didn't.
Oh, but our shoes are...
Yeah, my shoes.
Shoes are a mess.
Your ass is...
My ass is a mess as well, but that's not on the video. It's not PG friendly. And yeah, now we have another 10-minute walk to get to the third waterfall, which is hopefully gonna be big. Let's go without falling down, hopefully. Just finished the waterfall hike. We're now chilling at the first station where you have to pay the entry. Julie's playing with her dog friend over there. She wants to take it home, but I don't think we can take the dog home. We are just gonna wait for a bit, wait until some of our clothes dry, and yeah. The hiking was pretty good. What it is basically, you have 3 waterfalls, and
the first and the second one are pretty easily accessible because they build like a lot of stepping stones and stuff like that, so you can walk easily. But then the third one is actually quite far away, and it's also like really nature jungle thing. It's a way you have to really sleep easily. I slept and fell down a couple of times, and but otherwise it's a cool place. You have to pay $7 entry to get in, but then you can hike through all of the free waterfalls. It's around like 20 minutes away by taxi from Boquete city, where you pay around $4 to get here. There's also a bus, but and then you have to take like a 1.2 kilometer walk to get up here, actually, to the station. So I guess the plan for the afternoon is we don't really have one. We're just probably gonna go back to Boquete, the city, get some dinner because it was quite exhausting lunch and we're hungry, and then after that we're gonna go probably back to our hostel, or maybe I was thinking I could take some sunset photos at the viewpoint that we were in at the morning. It would be cool if I'm not too tired, but we'll see. And then tomorrow's plan is gonna be the coffee plantation tour, and we also try to go to like an animal rescue center where they might or might not have ocelots, which are my favorite animals, and if I could see one I would just absolutely die. We're back in the hostel now. We had some great dinner. Judy had a lobster roll, and I had one of the best burgers I probably had in my life. It was delicious. It was also pretty cheap. Today we're just gonna call it a night. And then tomorrow we have a coffee plantation tour arranged for I think it's either at 8 or 10 in the morning. And in the afternoon, if we have time, we can go to the animal rescue center or check out something else here in Boquete. It's gonna be the last day. So for tonight it's good night though. Good night.